guess what I just got? This is what came in. I don't know if you can see it. I follow this guy on YouTube, Cindy Dailies, and he keeps raving about this lens, so I wanted to give it a try. So, let's do a little unboxing. Why is this so... Oh, there you go. Put that aside. Pull. This is gonna take forever. Forever. Finally. Okay. I think there's a little carrying pouch, the warranty card, silica gel, Viltrox certificate, manual. Oh, and it's covered. Ooh. Oh, it's got a, look, it's got a little red badge. Like it's a red badge lens. Red badge lens. Boy, that's a mouthful. Look at that. It's pretty, huh? Pretty, pretty. But look how pretty that is. Hold on. Let me mount it on a camera, which I happen to have right here. It's my XH2S. Oh, this is sturdy. Wow. I'm gonna go out and shoot with this. Check it.